Hi there, this is Vatsala Shukla, your karmic ally from the Karmic Ally Coaching Experience. And today's blog post is one which you can do along with me, where we're going to actually be looking at a method which is recommended by the University of New Mexico for purposes of relaxation and managing anxiety. Now, this technique basically involves learning to relax the muscles of your body using a cue word. So, in your case, the first step will be to find a cue word for yourself, which helps you to calm down. And it could be a different word in different circumstances, like say success, calm, or even joy, or any other word which works well for you. For some people, perhaps a phrase works well. Those of you who have seen the Hindi movie Three Idiots would remember that the hero would keep, tapping his chest, saying "All is well, all is well," three, four times, whenever he was stressed out. So, by the same token, you can also choose a phrase if that works better for you. And basically, in any stress management or anxiety management program, you're taught to breathe and to do, slow, deep breathing. So the next step is also to practice your breathing. And the way you combine this word along with the breathing is that when you hear or say the cue word, focus on taking slow, deep breaths. So, you're breathing in and then you're repeating the cue word each time you exhale. So, just give it a shot. Choose any word, like say relax. Now, you're taking a deep breath in, and then as you're exhaling, repeat the cue word, right? And one thing I must tell you is that this technique, it does take a bit of practice. It won't happen overnight. But essentially, this relaxation strategy teaches your body to relax through the association with the word. And the end result, if you manage to master this small technique, is that you're going to be as happy and chilled out as this white bear is in his green algae filled river with the branch. And I mean, he's floating and he's a happy guy. My last thought for today is that perhaps you would like to download my self improvement strategies workbook. It's got five excellent exercises which you can use in order to handle various areas of your life, which you know can impact other areas too. And I'd love to hear your comments about this exercise. Do give it a try and do leave me a comment over here or just write to me and let me know how it goes for you. So, bye for now.